Today I will talk about how can you delete your account on your Dream app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here in this sign down here, just click on it. Then you come to your profile, it's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list, it's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on delete account here, just click on it here. So then you just click here on delete account here, then it's going to delete with you here on your Dream app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.